Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. Okay, see, this is the problem. Sleep mode on. Okay, how to fix it? Back first of Google Play Store app and now search here Instagram app. Okay, and update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, now open your Instagram app and click on the profile icon and now click on the three dot line option. Okay, scroll down, now click on the time management and scroll down, click on the sleep mode and see, this is the problem. Okay, sleep mode now on is off your sleep mode. Okay, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.